In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically convert image URLs to attachments in Airtable. This process is simple and efficient, and it can save you a lot of time if you frequently work with images stored in URLs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Airtable website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in airtable.com. Once you're on the site, if you haven't already, make sure to log in to your Airtable account. This will take you to your dashboard, where you can see all of your existing bases and start creating new ones if needed. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Marketplace. Once you're in your Airtable dashboard, look for the Marketplace option. You can usually find this in the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. The Marketplace is where you can find various extensions and tools that add extra functionality to your Airtable bases. It's a great place to explore different automations and integrations to make your workflows more efficient. Now that you're in the Marketplace, it's time to find the tool that will help us today. In the search bar, type in Convert URLs to Attachments. This search will bring up the specific tool we need to convert those image URLs into attachments within your Airtable records. The tool is designed to be user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with your existing Airtable setup. Once you've located the Convert URLs to Attachments tool, you'll want to add it to your Airtable setup. There should be an option to add or install the tool directly from the Marketplace. Click on it and follow any prompts that appear to ensure it's correctly integrated into your Airtable base. This process is typically straightforward, but make sure to read any instructions or permissions that might pop up to ensure everything is set up correctly. With the tool added, you can now start converting image URLs to attachments. Go to the Airtable base where you have your list of image URLs. There should be a new option or button that allows you to run the tool. When you run it, the tool will automatically convert the image URLs into attachments, storing the images directly within your Airtable records. This means you no longer have to manually download images and upload them to Airtable, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. And that's it! You've successfully set up a system to automatically convert image URLs to attachments in Airtable. This automation not only streamlines your workflow, but also keeps your images organized and easily accessible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!